Hi squad, thanks for watching this video. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up if you like how this comes out. Today we are trying to make the viral pizza pasta bake, and I have an idea to use lasagna noodles mixed with spaghetti, not just spaghetti, because I think the lasagna noodles will act like the crust to hold everything together. So here's my lasagna and here's my spaghetti. Let's go get it cooked. So I brought my water to a full boil with a bit of salt, and I dropped in my lasagna noodles and the spaghetti, and they both cook for the same amount of time, for about 9 to 10 minutes. And I'm just putting a little ladle of boiling water over the noodles that are sticking out. This way they will eventually soften up and go down below the water. And remember, pasta loves water, so if you see that your pasta is near the surface, just add in more water. This way it can all cook evenly, and give it a stir so it doesn't stick together into one big clump. After it's cooked, I am going to rinse my noodles off with some cold water just so it's easy to handle, and set it up inside of the pie pan. When you're assembling everything, make sure you're preheating your oven to 425 to 450 degrees. So I have a typical glass pie pan here, and I'm spraying it down with a little olive oil. I'm using the lasagna noodles first to set up a perimeter / crust around this pie pan. The ridges are really going to help, and then I will put a layer of the lasagna at the bottom to support the sides. Now I'm going to balance out this lasagna noodles to make it go around the pie pan. I will be using multiple layers and putting down a good center part layer of this lasagna for support of the sides, and it will also help to hold in the sauces so the sauces don't go straight to the bottom of the pan. And you might even want to rip the lasagna noodle down in half. This way you can get more layers of crust out of the noodles. I'm really happy with the way the lasagna noodles are layered out as the crust of this dish, and now I'm filling in the center with the spaghetti noodles. Next, I'm going to put my pasta sauce, and this sauce is from Albertsons and it's from the Signature Select brand, and I was really surprised at how homemade their sauce tastes. It's really good. It even has like a nice basil to it. So I'm adding a little excess sauce, so this way it gets to the bottom noodles too. And now we're going to put cheese, a lot of cheese all around, and another great idea would have been to put some cheese on the bottom layer of those big lasagna noodles. This way you can have an extra layer of gooiness. So I'm patting it down, and then I'm going to add the pepperoni. Now I'm going to put it in the oven, and I took it out after about 25 minutes. It looks really beautiful, just like a pizza, except for it's pasta. And I used a pizza cutter to cut this. So it's time to give it a try. I added a little basil.
Like this? Drink, Mom?
It's not bad. For some reason though, it seems like the noodle absorbed the sauce because the sauce kind of disappeared. So maybe you want to add a little extra sauce when you make this. Time for the crunchy lasagna crust.
Guys, look, I'm making my homemade treat.
That's my daughter. She's making herself she took the cat food and turned it into a meatball.
And dog food. Turn it into a dog treat, not a meatball.
So thanks for watching everybody, and please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up so that you won't miss any other videos.